Miserable 2012. This is from 1953. I think this was modernized in 1988 or something. 6 burgers of 480 kilograms, 115222977.
Menossa alaspäin.
Yes, the view is nice, but the elevator is boring. For a tower like this, they shouldn't have modernized it again. And small, it's quite small. So.
Yeah, I know. But it feels like I want to visit this city again.
Yeah, I would like to come here again sometime later. It's better than I expected, but it's... There's the machine room over there.
The former machine room.
Yeah, it's not used as a machine
Wait,
room.
it says pyörästökomero. So it used to be a bottom driven.
Yeah. I think maybe similar to the elevator at the boring Valmet observation tower, where it's from 1963, more like the Delta in 2002, I think, and it's still by the Raven traction. But it sounds more like Monospace. Not MaxiSpace, really. It's not loud power disc, it's eco disc. I thought it was MaxiSpace version, but it's
yeah, same here.
First floor.
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Menossa ylöspäin.
Going up.
Shall we ride those two in the same video? Okay.
Menossa ylöspäin.
Can we go 2 floors?
2016!
What? Could be rebuilt this year. Or did they add it later, or I don't know. 6 versions of 480 kilograms. 42576216. This is quite fast. Faster than I expected. But it takes some time before it opens the doors.
Menossa alaspäin.
Not so high.
No, not that high.
I don't like this cab.
No, it's too boring for a place like this.
I don't know. They should have ordered a bit more special one.
Like a wooden cab or something.
And with Kone design fixtures.
Yeah.
But no, they...
Had to make it like this.
Because it's cheap.
I just want to maybe check the serial in the other one.
You can go check that.
Menossa ylöspäin.
I'm done.
While I'm here, I can take a quick ride in the other one.
Okay.